will show you total 4 college notification for the post of professor, associate professor, assistant professor. Okay, let's start with that first college, that is SJC Institute of Technology, that's situated in Karnataka. So in the department of CSE, EC and MBA for the post of professor, associate professor as well as assistant professor. So qualification, experiences and salary as per AICTE norms. So interested eligible candidate may apply online through this link, and by making online payment of 200 towards application fees, and also send your resume along with necessary academic credential to this email ID within 15 days from the date of this notification. Okay, so note that candidates with PhD from reputed institute are preferable. Okay, so you have to make payment for 200 rupees for this applications. And if you want more details like for this notification, just dial this number. Okay, now coming to that second college, the New Prince Sri Bhavani College of Engineering and Technology. Okay, wanted assistant professor in the department of EEE, ECE, CSE, IT and mechanical. So qualification PhD, department English, Maths, Physics and Chemistry. Qualification PhD or MPhil with NET, AC select. Okay, email ID here. So just dial this number and know about their original details and the other things. Okay, now coming to the third colleges, that is Devi Ahilya Vidya Vishwavidyalaya. Okay, Indore. So employment notice, backlog vacancy. So applications are invited from the eligible candidates for various backlog faculty positions for different university teaching department. Okay, and the duly filled application along with all the necessary enclosure along with the application fees 500. Okay, and 250 for SC/ST candidate for MP domiciles. Okay, and you have to remember that the last date of receipt application is 20 August 2021 by 5th PM. Okay, now coming to the number of vacancy in various department as well as specialization. Okay, so here you can see that here also they give that pay scale is for the backlog vacant for professor academic pay is level 14 as per 7 CPC. Okay, and the lecturer or assistant professor academic pay level 10 as per 7 CPC. So here the name of the vacancies for the department: School of Biochemistry, School of Biotechnology, School of Chemical Science, School of Comparative Language, School of Computer Science, School of Economics, School of Education, Electronics, Environment, School of Instrumentation. Okay, School of Journalism, Mass Communication, Lifelong Learning, School of Life Sciences, School of Mathematics, School of Physics, School of Statistics. Okay, total 70 department have vacancy. Okay, I will just give you that notification link in the video description. You just click on their link and download their notification and read as per your requirement. Okay, now here are the some desired specializations, and you have to pay application fees 500 for OBC and 250 rupees for SC/ST candidate. And here are the bank details they are given. And also you have to remember the last date is 20 August 2021. Okay, so you can see that total 70 is been how many pages, 29 page notification. Okay, so here also they giving that applications from. Okay, I will give the link. Now coming to that last colleges notifications. Okay, so here you can see that Nabra Chana University. Okay, so they are hiring for the assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science, teaching associate in the Department of Computer Science, professor Computer Science and Engineering, associate professor in journalism, mass communications. Now coming to the associate professor in the computer science, here you can see that the qualifications as well as that interested candidate request to send their detailed CV to this email ID with the same subject line as that of the advertiser within 7 days from the date of notification. So date of the notification, last date is application 14 July 2021. So you have 2 days. So just go to that notification and read that and send your email CV as soon as possible. Now coming to that teaching associate, that computer science. Here you can see the job descriptions, responsibility, qualification, and you have to see the last date of application July 14. And here also they give to that professor. So already the notification is the old notification, that you can see the last date of application 16 July. Okay, so only the vacancy in that two sections, the teaching associate and assistant professor. And also you can see can apply for the junior research fellowships. Okay, so here you can last date is 19 July, and research assistant, here the last date is 17 July. Okay, what I do, I will give the direct link of this university. You just click on it, open it, and read the complete notification and send your CV as well as resume to the given email ID as soon as possible. Okay, and if you want more notification like that, just like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.